what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby.
High volume, high volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I can make you mine.
Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mind us. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you back.
What is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Ba Baby, don't hurt me. And what is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
So guys, I was trying to arrange my cable to try to fix it on my Dreame vacuum. This Dreame vacuum make my life so easy as a mom. So I tried to connect the cable through my Dreame vacuum, and when I fix my cable, everything come through. And one thing I was trying to do, I was confused to connect the cable on the Dreame vacuum. I have this thinking that because I didn't see the pin through the cable. You know, when you have the cable, you can see pin where you can choke the connection. So it was not like that on this cable. So I was checking everywhere. My mind was saying, why the thing did it come with the cable? It comes with the cable, but there's no way how I will figure out to fix it. I check everywhere, trying to figure out how I should able to fix this cable. I check every part of this Dreame vacuum, and I took the cable. I was trying to say why the cable didn't have no pin. I'm watching the cable, and my mind just told me check. And I told myself, let me put the thing back, and I put the cable back, and my mind said, check the manual. Maybe the manual will show you actually where the cable will go. And guys, so finally I able to know where that cable supposed to go, because I took the manual and go through the manual, and I finally know where that cable supposed to be, and I plug it on the wall. So that was a plus to me. I did, because one thing about us, when we have something, we cannot go through the manual. We just want to do it like it will be like a magic. No, there's no magic on those things when you buy it. When you buy something, don't ignore the manual. Go through the manual, and the manual will show you exact where every part of those things can fix. And that is the thing I realized, and I did. And when I did, I able to get everything. So the one thing it was difficult to me to do to connect on this Dreame vacuum, it was the internet. My internet was driving me crazy to connect to this Dreame. I figured out, I go through the manual, I was going through all the freaking manual on that paper I have, how I should able to connect the internet to this Dreame, because you have to connect your own internet to the Dreame so that the Dreame will able to operate on your phone. You can able, because it have the QR code on the Dreame. So you have to scan the QR code and make sure the QR code, as soon as you take you scan the QR code gonna register on your. So that was the thing I didn't do. And the mistake I did on this part, this is the Dreame disposer. So where the filter, so the water I pour on this black thing, I don't supposed to pour the water on it. It have to be empty. I just supposed to pour the water on that. So I supposed to pour the water on that white rubber only. I was supposed to pour the water on that black, but later I drained the water, but I didn't film that side. Yeah, and the mistake again I did, the filter water, I have separate filter
So,
water where I should
I'm gonna
pour
download the app
the
on my
water,
phone.
the filter, the
Guys,
filter. It comes with
I
the
will see you
filter
back next time.
water to wash the mop vacuum. So I was trying to pour that
So,
water in that black container, but when I go through,
whether QR code or
so when I go through, I able to figure it out, but I didn't show you guys that part. So now I connect the Dreame through the charger, because it's supposed to charge, and I snap the QR code on my phone. So I'm trying to download the app on my phone, because the app supposed to be on your phone, and to connect the internet it was giving me headache, but later I able to connect the internet with the through the, because our internet was driving me crazy how to connect it on my phone to the Dreame. But later my daughter comes and helped me, so we figured out and connect the internet, but it was not easy. And this Dreame, I swear to God, if you plan to get Dreame, or if you have Dreame, it's very good for your home and it's lifesaver. And one thing I love this Dreame vacuum, it will able every part of your living room, your room, it will be clean so good. And that's the thing I was telling my husband. I said, the way they make this vacuum, it's really good. It's really nice. Let them just continue to give the best thing to we as a parents, because some of us we are lazy and we don't want to do that much. But like I said, this Dreame make my life so easy. I will not lie to nobody. It make my life so easy, and it make my home so beautiful, because every time my kids drop food, or even if I saw my carpets, my dining room carpet, if I see any mess on my dining room, I will just start my Dreame vacuum, and it will just start, and it will be just started vacuum my floor. So that is a good thing. I love this vacuum, and it really nice and it really good. So guys, as I told you the last time about my vacuum, this vacuum saved my life. So anytime I finish doing my cooking and doing my my floor, so as you guys can see, this vacuum will vacuum everywhere in my living room. It just finished vacuum my living room, and now it's vacuum the dining room. See, this is the saving lifesaver vacuum I ever had. You just have this vacuum and you connect it on your phone, connect it on the internet, and you can see when the vacuum is here. So you see, this is the app I have. So where the robot is gonna be vacuum, everywhere is showing on my phone. So this one is so life-saving for me. You see, it's gonna be vacuum everywhere. It will go everywhere. And this vacuum have camera and take everything on the floor. So you see, can you guys move? It will vacuum everywhere. All the dirty this vacuum will take, and this vacuum will go all corner of your living room to vacuum. See what the vacuum is doing. It will go right at the corner and make sure it vacuum everywhere. See, it just vacuum the dining room and now it's going to the living room. So try get this vacuum, you will not regret.
High volume, high volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I have to make you mine.
But I love